Smoke shut down the Bay d'Espoir highway for days, cutting off communities and leaving people stranded.
I'm stage 4 cancer patient, so I just went up for new treatment on Thursday, and of course we packed for overnight, not thinking that we'd be stuck for a week.
In a province known for its heart and being quick with a helping hand, everyone is doing what they can. This church group delivering toiletries to people in their cars.
We talked to a guy down there earlier who's been here for 2 weeks. So can you imagine 2 weeks here with no body wash or shampoo or deodorants, whatever.
And then, finally, Tuesday, relief.
They're going to open it, we got to get in line up.
They're going to open up. Open up the road.
There was no smoke, so visibility was good. So that's why we opened up the roads. There's no damage to the road whatsoever.
You happy?
Words can't express it.
The size of this fire is still very, very massive.
The fires have grown to 200 square kilometres, but at this point, winds are sending smoke away from nearby towns.
Conditions are more favorable, but the smoke conditions are still very real. And if the wind shifts, it's too late to start to evacuate people at that point. So we still want people to be very much on a heightened, be on high alert.
The province launched 2 new hotlines for people with questions, including one for health. About 110 hospital patients and long-term care residents have been moved out of Grand Falls, Windsor, along with staff. Evacuations now on hold given the improving conditions.
It was a bit scary, but I would say that when I look at the last 3 days, it was unbelievable, the collaboration we had among RHAs and the work my staff have done.
Officials say this is still the first phase, battling gigantic fires, with everyone hoping for more rain and favorable winds. Abigail Bimman, Global News.